Alright guys, we're here at Hollywood Studios, ready to do some exciting stuff today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. We do these kind of things all the time. Let's get to it. First things first, we're heading down to the Chinese Theater, which has been converted into Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Being told it's a 30-minute wait, so we're gonna give it a shot here. If you've never been to Hollywood Studios, this place is incredible. It's one of my favorite parks. It's got the movies, got Toy Story Land, Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge. Do a lot of awesome stuff today. Well, we found the line. And I've seen a point of view of this ride before. It looks pretty cool. And check it out. I know Jess has been waiting forever to ride it, so should be pretty awesome. After about 30 minutes, we've reached the inside here. They're warming us up for a Mickey and Minnie getaway. Pretty awesome. If you follow us on Facebook, Jess is taking pictures of just about everything, so we'll have plenty of footage for you guys. Forming a perfect picnic. Okay, so apparently we're leaving the real world and entering cartoon world. Okay. To the trains. Wow, it's right there.
Hold on.
Doors.
Be sure to stay in your seats and keep a watchful eye on your little railroad rider.
Okay, well this is our train. Time to board. Here we go.
Testing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. You ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mickey, man.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
The park's better with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I thought to hit that track switch.
Hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
That's awesome. Whoa! You're gonna take it away! Whoa! Look at that tornado! Wowzers!
We made it. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, that was the wrong thing to say. Oh my goodness!
We're out of stuff.
Going down the tunnels.
Come. Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Oh boy. Entering the factory.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Bye, Goofy. That was awesome. Well, how about that?
That was a fun ride.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Mickey's Runaway Railway. I thought it was pretty awesome. It was very enjoyable. A little hard to film in there. It's a little jerky, but it was cool to experience. That was our first time riding it. I highly recommend it. It's a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. Normally when you watch it, it looks kind of kiddie, but I don't know. We're huge Mickey Mouse fans, so what was your favorite part of the ride?
The tornado was pretty neat.
That was pretty awesome. I love the when you're in the factory and was it Pete? And he's working on he's using the jackhammer and the train shakes like that. Really cool. Yeah, moving on. Well, we're here now at the little Hollywood Studios little pond lagoon area here. Got a bunch of cool ornaments sticking out of the water. I'm sure those glow at night. And here we got one of their huge Christmas trees. We're going to be here all day, so we're going to see this one. It's all lit up and colorful. And I got to say, I don't think the camera really does it justice here. This tree is enormous. What's been your favorite Christmas tree since we've been here?
I don't know. I like this one a lot.
This one is awesome. Right over the lake here. I don't know. It's hard to beat that one at Magic Kingdom because you're right on Main Street, right in front of the castle. But I don't know. This one doesn't disappoint. Well, I gotta say, everything's looking pretty festive here at Hollywood Studios. Love this park. If you love movies, this is the park to come to. It's really awesome. Very movie history themed. Really cool. Yeah, we found Gertie the dinosaur here. He's looking pretty festive with his Santa hat and big old ornament there sticking out of his mouth. Looking pretty excited. And we found a little Bambi. Too cute. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to get me some wake-up juice here at the trolley car, aka Starbucks. Okay, well, Starbucks line is pretty long, so we're gonna head down toward Tower of Terror over here on Sunset Boulevard. Get some Joffrey's. Line's probably just as long, but we'll see. Now, this is a ride you definitely don't want to ride right after lunch. Tried that before, not good. Hollywood Tower of Terror, one of my favorites. Okay, so no restaurants are open here right yet, so we got ourselves a couple donuts. Got me this big blue donut. Got me some nice hot fresh coffee from Joffrey's. And just got this awesome huge pink donut. Oh yeah, looks good. Finished our donuts and coffee and drinks. We are on our way to visit Woody in Toy Story Land. I think we're gonna wait in line for Toy Story Mania. Jessica always whoops me in this game, so I don't know. Maybe I can get her. I'm gonna try and ride this later. Slinky Dog Dash. This is a fun roller coaster. We've been on it before. Really cool. There's Slinky Dog. Alright. Yeehaw. Heading into Toy Story Mania. You really do feel like a toy walking through here. Honey, I Shrunk the Toy Story. Pretty cool. Disney's really good at theming things out for their rides. That's why they take so long to build. Dominoes, anyone? It's cool at nighttime too. They have these giant Christmas lights light up, kind of light up the park. Walking through Toy Story Mania. There's Buzz and Jessie. Some weightlifter. Hey, we got a Peter Pan, what do they call those things, Jess? With the clicker? U-Master. There's Slinky Dog. Big old Etch-a-Sketch. Boy, this is really cool. It's a nice queue to go through. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to record on this ride because I got to try and win. Jess beat me every time at this. If I'm trying to film and win at the same time, it ain't going to work. So we'll let you know how I went after the ride. All right, troops, we made it out of there. Found this cool Connects helicopter. Tell you what, it's really cool. Hey, Jess, who won?
You did. Just barely.
To be fair, I was winning by like what, 20,000? I was winning by like 25,000 and just made it back up. I ended up only winning by 800 points. I don't know how she does it. She's good, you know, she can do it. She's got a quick trigger finger. We're about to ride alien swirling saucers. Kind of like Toy Story's version of a scrambler. Should be fun. That is the biggest toy blaster I've ever seen. It sounds like we're going to have some Christmas music for our saucer ride. Okay, well, we're on. Excited? Oh, this is going to be crazy. There we go. Oh boy. Whoa! Oh! This thing really is. Oh my goodness! Oh! This is fun. Sorry, babe. All right. Crazy. Oh my! Ow! Oh my goodness. And we're done. That was fun. Well, that was really fun.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you what, that thing really slings you. Really awesome. We're about to head to Star Wars Land, Galaxy's Edge. So as you come off Alien Swirling Saucers there, it's pretty much right at the front entrance of Galaxy's Edge. I gotta say, this land is very Star Wars-ish. They call it Batuu, but it sure looks an awful lot like Tatooine. Too cool. I know we got markets up here. Might check some of those out here in a few. These are not the droids we're looking for, but they are cool looking. I think they talk to you every now and then. They're sleeping. That's a Galaxy's Edge Coca-Cola stand, however you spell that. Over here, we got a land speeder. I have not, but I'll let you know. I will. Yeah, I think we got Ray up here. I'm not sure what she's doing. Awesome land speeder here. Cool to take that out for a test drive. And look, there's Ray. Hi, Ray. May the force be with you. May the force be with you. Oh, well, we found that stormtrooper they were looking for. He don't look happy.
All units, possible resistance scout. Track but do not engage. Easy does it, citizen.
I guess he's part of that first order they've been talking about. Or maybe he's a grandpa and he's from the Empire.
All clear.
All clear, huh? Nope. You got a bunch of people down here looking at you. Found Darth Jess. We're gonna try this Ronto roaster here. This guy's got a pod racer engine he's cooking with. Good work, buddy. Keep it up. Yeah, it looks pretty delicious there, man. Cooking up some Rancor or something. That's how you do it. That's what I call an open flame barbecue. Okay, so got our Ronto roaster here. It's pretty good. Looks like sausage and coleslaw. Our Galactic Coke. Okay, quick little review of the Ronto wrap. Not really a fan. It got better as I went along. There's some kind of peppercorn sauce in it that, I don't know, it made it a little better, but I don't know. I probably won't get that again. I can see where a lot of people like it. Not much of a really good taste to it. The sausage is kind of like a kielbasa, and there's some kind of like turkey, like open-faced turkey in it. I don't know. It didn't really go too good together for me. I know a lot of people like them. Just not for me. So Jessica's not a big fan of all the Star Wars food back there, so we came out over here by the Indiana Jones Spectacular. This place called Backlot Express. Kind of comfort foods, chicken fingers, burgers, stuff like that. Check it out. We've eaten here before. It's pretty good. Hey, Jess has got some chicken tenders, bunch of fries. And we got this holiday whoopie pie. Looks pretty delicious. I'm gonna help her out with that here in a little bit.